Terra Classic price faces a 15% decline amid broad market correction, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with that. The Terra Classic price faces a 15% decline. The Terra Classic recovery trend fails as the recent reversal from the dynamic resistance of the 20-day EMA aligns with the broader market sell-off. However, with the Lunc price sustaining above the 200-day EMA and the ascending support trend line, the altcoin projects a potential bounce back in the near future. With this possibility of a bullish reversal, will the Lunc prices surpass the 0.30's $20 mark with the Bitcoin halving around the corner? With the bearish phase in motion, the negative cycle in the Terra Classic price trend grows intense and tests the 200-day EMA. The downfall undermines the recent bounce back from the said dynamic support last month. The recent negative turnaround accounts for a deterioration of 20% in the Lunc token's market value. Further, the recent crash aligns with the overall market fall and the supply inflow at the 20-day EMA. However, the sell-off wave lacks trading volume support as it stays under the 20-day average line. Currently, the Lunc price trades at 0.30's $137, which leads to a doji formation at the 200-day EMA, teasing a morning star. Further, in the bigger picture, the altcoin shows a triangle pattern formation and currently rests at the baseline. Optimistically, the trend awaits a bullish reversal within the pattern. Hence, the uptrend could reach the 0.30's $20 psychological mark shortly. Despite the recent crash, the RSI line shows a bullish divergence in the last two dips, bolstering the reversal possibility. Let's also talk about that the Binance burns over 4 billion Lunc to bolster support for Terra Classic revival. The cryptocurrency market witnessed a significant development recently, with Binance, the world's leading crypto exchange, burning 4.17 billion Lunc. This move is another step that shows Binance's commitment to bolstering the Terra Classic ecosystem. It also signifies a milestone in the crypto industry's evolution, particularly regarding community-driven token burn mechanisms. The recent burn represents one of the largest single token burn events in the history of Terra Classic. Following the massive incineration, Lunc's metrics shows that Lunc's circulating supply has dropped to 5.82 trillion tokens. 4.6 billion tokens were burned over the past week, and this burn brings the total number of Lunc tokens burned by Binance to over 56 billion. This action aligns with the broader Terra Classic community's efforts to reduce the circulating supply of the digital asset, potentially leading to price appreciation in the long term. Following the collapse of the original Terra ecosystem in May 2022, the community rallied behind Terra Classic and Terra USD Classic. Binance was a staunch supporter of the revival process from the start, implementing the burn tax in 2022 to help the ecosystem's revival. This token burn, which was the 20th iteration of Binance's Lunc burn initiative, specifically targeted trading fees collected between February 29th and March 30th. The 4.17 billion Lunc burn coincided with a positive price movement for both Lunc and USTC. Lunc experienced a minor increase. However, the digital asset has declined, showing a 3% decline over the last 24 hours and trading at 0.30's $137. USTC showed a similar trajectory, initially rising but falling to $0.0256. USTC has also declined 1% in the past 24 hours. While the long-term price trajectory remains uncertain, this uptick suggests renewed investor interest in Lunc, and many view the decline as a temporary setback. The ongoing token burning efforts by Binance and the Terra Classic community represent a significant undertaking aimed at restoring stability and potentially driving future growth within the ecosystem. Although repegging USTC to $1 and restoring Lunc to its former price levels seem like a difficult task, the community is working hard to achieve it. With key proposals aimed at recovery and long-term stability and continued token burns, the recovery might come sooner than many expect. Let's also talk about that the Lunc projected to $1 as Terra Classic releases update with components for massive growth. The Terra Classic token has experienced a significant price increase in recent weeks, fueled by key developments within the ecosystem. This upswing comes amidst a broader cryptocurrency bull market. A critical driver of Lunc's positive momentum is the successful implementation of the Terra Classic V242 upgrade. This upgrade introduced new binary and components, most notably IBC hooks. IBC hooks paved the way for the onboarding of decentralized applications onto the Terra Classic chain. The arrival of prominent dApps, such as Enterprise DAO, has the potential to boost network activity and user adoption. Following a successful upgrade, the Terra Classic developer team is actively working on the network's security package upgrade, which is expected to be completed within 8 weeks. This upcoming upgrade promises to enhance security, functionality, and interoperability for the Terra Classic network. The heightened development activity surrounding the blockchain is considered a major factor contributing to the recent price appreciation of Lunc and its associated stablecoin, USTC. The Lunc burn initiative has gained significant traction. At press time, data from Lunc's metrics showed that 105 billion tokens had been burned. Major cryptocurrency exchanges and projects have actively participated in the burn program, with Binance leading the charge by burning over 50% of the total. New ventures and exchanges like Singapore-based Weeks are continuously joining the burn initiative, aiming to reduce the circulating supply of Lunc. Some believe Lunc's recent listing on Weeks could also help it dominate the 2024 bull run. The number of Terra Classic wallet holders has also been steadily increasing, with new users wanting a piece of Lunc's success. This rise reflects a surge in demand during the current bull market, and the number of wallet holders has surpassed 5.5 million. This growth indicates rising interest in the Terra Classic ecosystem, potentially fueled by ongoing efforts from community developers and projects to restore utility to the Terra Classic chain. Lunc has momentum for a massive rally, and after a recent positive prediction from Google Gemini, some believe $1 is within reach before 2024 ends. And lastly, let's talk about latest Terra Classic price prediction. Let's take a look at some of the Terra Classic price predictions that were being made on the 2nd of December 2022. It is important to point out that price forecasts, especially for something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency, are often wrong. Long-term crypto price predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means they can change at a moment's notice. CoinCodex had a somewhat optimistic, short-term Terra Classic price prediction, saying that it thought the coin could reach 0.30's $187 by the 7th of December and 0.30's $222 by the 1st of January 2023. The site's technical analysis was rated as neutral, with 15 indicators making bullish signals against 12 making bearish. Digital Coin Price had a Lunc crypto price prediction that saw it potentially trade at around 0.30's $212 this year, before reaching 0.30's $453 next year and 0.30's $627 the year after that. By 2025, the site said Lunc could be worth 0.30's $780. In 2027, the forecast suggested Lunc could be worth 0.30's $948, moving to 0.20's $133 by 2028, and potentially closing the decade at 0.20's $188. The site then went on to make a Terra Classic price prediction for 2030 that said it could trade at 0.20's $255, before arguing it could potentially stand at 0.20's $346 in 2031. Captain Altcoin was rather more downbeat in terms of its Lunc price prediction, saying the coin could fall to 0.30's $1 by January 2023 and only recover slightly to 0.30's $2 by December 2023. Its Terra Classic price prediction for 2025 said the coin could grow to hit 0.30's $3. But that was as positive as this prediction got, since the site went on to predict that Lunc could lose all its value by December 2027. There were no signs of hope in its 2030 forecast or its Terra Classic price prediction for 2040 either, confirming that the site believed Lunc could remain a dead coin. Finally, Wallet Investor was bullish when it came to making a Terra Classic price prediction for 2023. The site said the coin's value could rise to 0.30's $499 by December 2023 and potentially move to 0.20's $186 in 5 years' time. So what's your Terra Classic price for this year? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.